Hi there, my name is Alex Genedinik. I'm a successful entrepreneur myself, and I've helped many other entrepreneurs through my coaching program. And what we'll do on this gig is essentially get on a call, talk about your specific and unique situation so that you get your specific questions answered. Every part of your strategy, every question you might have that you're not confident about, that's the point of this gig, is that we are going to shorten your struggle period and we're going to get you to success faster by avoiding many of the common mistakes that many people hope they don't fall into, but they do. And we'll hopefully get you out of those and get you on the right path to implementing the right strategies, which are going to be the most effective ones for you. So it's very intelligent to hire a mentor, a coach, so that you can work with someone, brainstorm with someone, and ultimately wind up in a better place. That's the benefit of a coach, and that's the benefit of this gig, which is really available only on Fiverr this way. So go ahead, sign up for this gig, and let's get started.